Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stabilizing the object and documenting condition so you don't lose information. Once done, position the picture face up on a soft towel and warm the covered area lightly. Heat softens many adhesives so you can test lift a corner. Make small, deliberate lifts with a micro spatula at the softened edge. If the cover resists, stop and reapply brief heat. You do this to avoid tearing emulsion or paper fibers and to gauge how stubborn the bond is. Now you focus on removing remaining adhesive and backing without damaging the picture. Start with distilled water on a cotton swab because many glues loosen with moisture. If that fails, move to a recommended adhesive remover and always test first. Once adhesive softens, blot gently, never rub, so you lift dissolved residue. Support the picture from underneath while you work. This prevents bending and tears. You take your time here because patience preserves detail. To finish, you remove any solvent residue with light distilled water blotting and let the picture dry flat between clean blotters under light weight to prevent cockling. Once dry, assess edges and fill tiny losses only with archival tape or hinge techniques. Reframe using acid-free backing and UV filter glass to protect the work. If at any point the emulsion or paper delaminates or looks compromised, stop immediately and consult a professional conservator. Continuing could cause permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.